as all feedback is a gift. And complaints usually are a gift because they're telling you where your experience is coming up short. And generally, they're telling you how to fix it, right? And who doesn't want to get better, whether it is as an employee or as a person or as a company, right? When I was in corporate America and doing employee reviews all the time, I and the managers that worked for me, I always required that every review have 3 strengths and 3 opportunities. And the reason I did that was because it forces a manager to think about both sides of the equation for an employee. It gives the employee useful feedback, right? If I just say, hey, Nick, you're smart and handsome and doing a great job at work, you're like, well,
Yeah.
thanks, but
Yeah.
I can't do anything with that because I'm already smart and handsome and doing a great job at work. And so there's nothing for me to take with that. But if I say,
Yeah.
hey, Nick, you're smart and handsome and doing a great job